So this is an alternative vegetarian lasagna. All you need to do is just prep all your ingredients. I've got everything here. I've been chopping my mushrooms. We're going to pop these in a bowl. Here I've got some of my veggie chicken, which I'm also going to chop. You just layer everything together. So it's best to preheat the oven to about 200 degrees. A good splodge in there. You can also season it with a bit of sea salt whilst we prepare the rest of our ingredients. Some broccoli and courgette. Okay, now we're ready to start our layering. Made by MAHI with love.